Hello kids, how are you? In my previous video, we talked about breathing in animals and feeding in animals, means food habits. Now, in today's video, we will discuss about movement in animals. Why animals move? Animals move from one place to another in search of food, shelter, and safety. Now, as we already know, animals live on land, in air, and in water also. So, they have different habitats. Habitat means homes. Now, if they have different habitats, they have different adaptive features as per their habitat. Animals have unique body organs which help them move. Now see the picture of land animal. All animals that move on land mostly have four limbs. The two in the front are called forelimbs and the two at the back are called hind limbs. Reptiles like lizards and crocodiles, they crawl on land with the help of their short legs. Now, if we talk about snake, so snakes do not have limbs, so they move by curving their body. This movement is called slithering. Can you guess how turtle and duck move in water? Duck have webbed feet to move in water. Similarly, a frog also use webbed feet to swim in water. An octopus moves around water with the help of its strong tentacles. Turtle use paddles to swim in water. Now, fish have fins, as you already know. Fish have fins to move in water. How does an insect move? You know what is an insect? It is a small animal with 6 legs, 2 pairs of wings, and a body which is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. One by one, let's talk about ants, cockroaches, bedbug. Now, these insects use legs to walk. Grasshopper, what it uses powerful hind limbs to hop on the ground. Dragonflies and houseflies, most commonly seen in your houses, use wings to fly. Now quickly take a recap of the topic: movement in animals. Land animals use limbs, forelimbs, front limbs, hind limbs, back limbs. Reptiles like lizard, crocodiles use short legs for movement. Snake have no limbs, so move by curving their body, known as slithering. Aquatic animals and amphibians, duck and frog use webbed feet, octopus use tentacles for movement, turtle paddles, fish fins, insect ant cockroaches use legs for movement, grasshopper hind limbs, dragonflies, houseflies wings. Now let's talk about birds. Birds have wings to move, 4 limbs to walk, and streamlined body help birds for movement.